Bitcoin by Kylie Taylor. What is Bitcoin? This is a picture of what Bitcoin is and how you buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, which is a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity. Transactions are made with no middlemen, meaning no banks. Bitcoin and its ledger are secured by proof of work consensus, which is also the mining process that introduces new Bitcoins into the system. History of Bitcoin. This picture is a brief history of Bitcoin, starting in 2008 and ending in 2012. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by a person or a group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin's history as a store of value has been turbulent. It has gone through several boom and bust cycles over its relatively short lifespan. As Bitcoin's prices continued to rise, so too did its visibility and popularity. By November 2013, Bitcoin prices reached $1,000. Bitcoin prices and trading volumes really started to snowball in late 2017, with prices hitting $10,000 per coin for the first time in November of 2017 and reached about $20,000 in December of 2017. By the end of 2018, the bursting of the crypto bubble had dragged Bitcoin prices back down to less than $4,000 per coin. Uses of Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be used to book hotels, shop for furniture, and buy video games. But most of Bitcoin's popularity comes from trading it to gain wealth. In the US, people generally use Bitcoin as an alternative investment, helping diversify a portfolio apart from stocks and bonds. Big companies that accept Bitcoin include Microsoft, PayPal, and Whole Foods. Some small local retailers or certain websites take Bitcoin as well. In other countries, particularly those with less stable currencies, use cryptocurrency instead of their own currency, like Venezuela, Argentina, and Zimbabwe. Bitcoin provides an opportunity for people to store value without relying on a currency that is backed by a government. Future of Bitcoin. This is a quote by James Gillingham, CEO and co-founder of ThinksFlow. The question has changed from is there a future of cryptocurrency to what is the scale of implications of cryptocurrency on our future. The next decade could prove of significant importance to Bitcoin's evolution. Problems with scaling and security have prevented Bitcoin from becoming a valid form of payment due to the billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that have been stolen from exchanges by hackers. Bitcoin's future is still very uncertain, but it is on the cusp of mainstream acceptance. The institutional investor interest is driving board interest in the cryptocurrency, but issues over custody, security, and capital efficiency are still headwinds for the digital asset. This is my references, and thank you for watching.